Today we'll be making maple roasted nuts. It's a very easy and healthy snack. All we need to make this is 1 cup of maple syrup and 4 cups of slightly roasted nuts of your choice. Here I have taken pecan, walnuts and almonds. I have taken a deep heavy bottom pot in which I am going to add 1 cup of maple syrup. Just when the syrup begins to boil, we need to apply butter to the sides of the pot, and this will stop the syrup to froth way up and spill. It's just been a minute and you can see how the maple syrup has come to a full boil. At this stage, we'll just give it a good stir. Pure maple syrup has such rich flavor, there is no need of adding any additional flavoring in this recipe. Moreover, making of maple syrup does not involve complex chemical processing like used in white sugar, and that makes it a healthier option. It's very simple. Sap collected from sugar maple tree during early spring is boiled to get the mineral-rich maple syrup. For every 40 gallons of sap, you get 1 gallon of maple syrup. If you have a sugar maple tree in your backyard, there you go. You can make your own maple syrup. In this recipe, we will further boil the maple syrup to get maple sugar, and this process does not take too much of time. It just takes about 5 to 6 minutes totally. After 3 minutes from the time the syrup comes to a boil, keep stirring it every few seconds to check the consistency. When you stir the spatula in the syrup and lift and let the syrup to drop like this, it should form a thin angel hair-like structure like this that will solidify and fly in air. Do you see how a thin hair-like structure is forming and it is flying in air? This is very, very crucial. This is what we want to achieve, and once we get to this stage, we turn off the flame and then we add the nuts, and we have to immediately start stirring and make sure that all the maple syrup is evenly coated on the nuts. This stage is again very crucial. You don't stop, you keep stirring it carefully, and the syrup will be coated evenly on all the nuts, and it will start to solidify and crystallize within few seconds. So you don't have time to relax. Do not take 2 times the ratio, as it will be very hard to mix them all well. We don't want a big lump. We want all the nuts to be separated like this. So you can see how maple syrup has become maple sugar now and is coated well on all the nuts. So we are done. Let this cool to store it in an airtight container, and it will stay fresh for up to a month.
Eat healthy and stay healthy.